Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about some exciting news in the electric vehicle space. PG Electroplast, a company you may already know for its electronic manufacturing, has made a big move into the EV and lithium battery segment. This update comes from an article by CNBC TV18, which highlights the company's latest venture. So here's the update. PG Electroplast announced that its wholly owned subsidiary, PG Technoplast Private Limited, has partnered with Spiro Mobility, an EV player in India. This partnership is exclusive, meaning PG Technoplast is now the sole manufacturing partner for Spiro's electronic vehicle and lithium batteries. Pretty big deal, right? Now, what exactly is PG Technoplast's role in this partnership? They will be responsible for setting up and running the manufacturing facilities, not just for the EVs, but also for the lithium batteries and the related components. Plus, they'll handle the procurement of raw materials and parts, all based on what Spiro specifies. On the other hand, Spiro will focus on the R&D, marketing, and distribution of these EVs, so it's a niche division of labor. PG Technoplast builds and Spiro brings those products to the market. Here's a key quote from the PG Electroplast Managing Director Vishal Gupta. He said, and I'm paraphrasing here, that this foray into EVs and batteries is a new horizon for the growth. With a partner like Spiro, they are confident about becoming a significant player in India's growing EV market. That's a bold but excitement statement. Now here's what makes this even more interesting. PG Electroplast has been on a roll lately. For example, in their September quarter, the company reported some seriously impressive numbers. Revenue grew by 46% year on year, and the net profit was up by 57%. Because of this, they have raised their guidance for the full year. Revenue is now expected to hit 4,250 crores, up from 3,650 crores, and the profit guidance has been bumped to 250 crores. Those are solid numbers for a company making its mark in the new segment, like EVs. So what do you think about this move by the PG Electroplast? Could they make a big impact in the EV market, or do you think it's too soon to tell? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching.